Welcome to Easy Friday. My name is Shiksha Arora and our sign language interpreter tonight is Byron Abuli. Now, our top story. The High Court has found Joseph Irungu, aka Joey, guilty of murdering Monica Kimani in September 2018. High Court Judge Grace Nzioka said the prosecution proved the case against him beyond reasonable doubt. Joey has now been remanded until the 8th of March this year when he will appear in court for sentencing. Meanwhile, his co-accused, former journalist Jackie Maribe, was acquitted on the grounds that no evidence placed her at the scene of the crime. Take a look.
High Court Judge Grace Nzioka, while delivering the 117-page judgment in summary, analyzed submissions made by both the prosecution and the defense.
The prosecution called a total of 35 witnesses, whereas each accused person offered their defense. The first accused person offering his defense through a sworn statement, and the second accused person opting to defend herself through an unsworn statement.
Justice Nzioka said the court has been convinced that Joseph Irungu, aka Joey, intentionally murdered Monica Kimani.
It is the finding of this court that the deceased did not die of an accidental or natural cause. The death was not accidental, it was not an unnatural death. Therefore, this is a clear case of homicide that falls outside the excusable homicides.
In his defense, Joey had argued that he was in Kimani's house only for 10 minutes, a period too short for one to kill, but the court established otherwise.
This court visited the scene. This court had the benefit of seeing and monitoring and appreciating the distance from Roadhouse to where the deceased was staying. Less than 15 minutes walk. And so if really indeed this first accused person left Jennings at 8:30, he would not have taken more than 15 minutes to be in the deceased house. And that corroborates the evidence of Jennings. By 9 o'clock he was in the deceased house. And so my conclusion is the argument about 10 minutes not tenable.
In her ruling, Justice Nzioka further poked holes into Joey's actions post the murder.
Corroborated by the evidence of no other person than the first accused person himself, is that by 19th of September 2018, the first accused person was in possession of a gun.
The submission by the defense that Joey never knew the deceased before the killing was reported was also proven otherwise through analysis of mobile phone communication between the two and Monica's brother, who said the two schooled together in one of the local colleges. Former journalist Jackie Maribe was acquitted on grounds that no investigations placed her at the scene of the crime, despite her contradictory statements concerning Joey's shooting incident. Maribe was represented by Katwa Kigen, while Joey was represented by Professor Hassan Nandwa. The 117-page judgment now indicates a new dawn in the life of journalist Jackie Maribe. But for Joseph Irungu, it ended in tears. Tilio Marco for Easy Friday.